Welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to disable the Hide Likes feature on Instagram using your PC. This new update allows you to see like counts again if you prefer that transparency. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Instagram.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the home page, you'll see your feed filled with posts from the accounts you follow. Next, look at the left side menu. You'll find several options, including your profile and various features of Instagram. Click on More, which will expand additional settings for your account. After clicking More, you'll see a list of options. Look for Settings and click on it. This will take you to the Settings menu where you can customize your Instagram experience to your liking. Now, within the settings, navigate to the section labeled Like and Share Count. This is where you can manage how likes and shares are displayed on your posts and those of others. Click on this option to proceed. Once you're in the Like and Share Count settings, you'll see the option labeled Hide Like and Share Counts. If this feature is currently enabled, it means that likes and shares are hidden from your view. To disable this, simply uncheck the box next to Hide Like and Share Counts. This will allow you to see the number of likes and shares on your posts and the posts of others once again. After you've made this change, there's no need to save anything, it will automatically update your preferences. You can now exit the settings menu and continue scrolling through your feed, now with all the like counts visible. Disabling the Hide Likes feature can help you better engage with content and understand what resonates with your audience. If you ever decide to go back to hiding likes, you can easily return to these settings and re-enable the option. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the Hide Likes feature on Instagram using your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your Instagram experience.